Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Pages from the home screen and tap Create Document to start. Pick a template for letters, reports, or one-page resumes. Choose blank to build a layout from scratch and control every element. Enable iCloud and settings to sync documents automatically across all your Apple devices. Tap the three dots to rename, duplicate, or move the file into folders. Use pinch and spread gestures to zoom while composing or reviewing content on the iPad screen. Tap the brush icon to change fonts, sizes, and paragraph spacing quickly. Select text, then pick styles like headline, subheadline, or body for consistency. Use the plus icon to insert images, shapes, text boxes, or tables into the layout. Drag corners to resize images and use Arrange to set wrap and placement options. Open Document Setup to set margins, paper size, and column count for precise formatting. Use guides and rulers to align objects with consistent spacing on the page. Tap Collaborate to invite others and edit the document together in real time. Choose permissions for view only or edit to control access while collaborating. Use the Share menu to export files as PDF, Word, or EPUB for distribution. Save a copy to files or send via mail and messages with one tap. Use an external keyboard for shortcuts like Command-B for bold and Command-Z to undo edits. Use Apple Pencil and Scribble to write, then convert handwriting into typed text automatically.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.